Fort Lauderdale, with its stunning beaches and vibrant culture, is also known for its hurricane-prone weather. To ensure safety and resilience against storms, building codes in the area are strict, especially for impact door installations. Whether you're a homeowner or a contractor, understanding these codes is critical for a smooth installation process. This guide breaks down the essentials of navigating Fort Lauderdale's building codes for impact doors. Why impact doors are essential in Fort Lauderdale. Impact doors are designed to withstand high winds and flying debris during hurricanes. They're not just about safety, they also enhance energy efficiency, increase home value, and reduce noise. Fort Lauderdale's building codes ensure that every installation meets these rigorous safety and performance standards, making compliance non-negotiable. Understanding Fort Lauderdale's building code. Fort Lauderdale's building codes align with the Florida Building Code, FBC, which outlines statewide construction standards. These regulations emphasize the structural integrity and durability of doors, especially in hurricane zones. Here are the key aspects. Wind load requirements. Impact doors must meet specific wind pressure ratings. The exact requirements depend on your home's location, including proximity to the coast and elevation. Fort Lauderdale's High-Velocity Hurricane Zone, HVHZ, designation demands doors that can withstand significant wind speeds and pressure. Product approval. Impact doors must carry a Florida Product Approval Number or Miami-Dade Notice of Acceptance, NOAA. These certifications confirm that the product has been tested and approved for use in Florida's hurricane zones. Ensure your chosen impact door meets these standards before purchasing. Installation standards. Proper installation is as crucial as the door itself. Building codes dictate specific guidelines for mounting, anchoring, and sealing impact doors. These ensure that the door's performance matches its rated specifications. Incorrect installation can void warranties and lead to failed inspections. Permits and inspections. Every impact door installation requires a building permit. The process involves submitting detailed plans to the city's building department for approval. After installation, an inspection is conducted to verify compliance with all codes. Working with a licensed contractor simplifies this process. Steps to ensure compliance. To navigate Fort Lauderdale's building codes effectively, follow these steps. Consult local regulation. Start by reviewing the latest Florida Building Code and Fort Lauderdale specific amendments. The city's building department website is an excellent resource for updated guidelines. Work with certified products. Choose impact doors with the necessary certifications. Manufacturers typically list this information in their product documentation. If in doubt, consult your supplier or contractor. Hire a licensed contractor. Licensed contractors have the expertise to interpret building codes and ensure compliance. They can also handle permit applications and coordinate inspections, saving you time and stress. Prepare accurate documentation. And submit all required documents, including architectural plans, product approvals, and engineering calculations. Incomplete or inaccurate paperwork can delay your permit approval. Schedule inspections once the installation is complete. Schedule the required inspections promptly. Address any issues identified by inspectors to achieve compliance and avoid penalties. Common challenges and solutions. Navigating building codes can be challenging, especially for first-time installers. Here are some common obstacles and how to overcome them. Understanding technical requirements. If the codes seem overwhelming, consult a professional. Contractors and building inspectors can provide valuable insights. Permit delays. To prevent delays, ensure all paperwork is accurate and complete. Respond promptly to any requests for additional information. Choosing the right product. Not all impact doors are created equal. Work with reputable manufacturers and verify that their products meet Fort Lauderdale's standards. Benefits of compliance. Meeting Fort Lauderdale's building codes is not just a legal requirement, it's a smart investment in your property's safety and value. Code-compliant impact doors. Protect your home and family during severe weather. Enhance your property's resale value. Lower insurance premiums due to increased safety. Provide long-term peace of mind. Final thoughts. Navigating Fort Lauderdale's building codes for impact door installations may seem daunting, but with the right approach, it's manageable. By understanding the requirements, choosing certified products, and working with experienced professionals, you can ensure a successful and compliant installation. In the end, the safety and security of your home are well worth the effort.